Here's a quick video on how you can sync your Outlook calendar to Google Calendar. So first, I have Google Calendar loaded right here, and I'm just going to copy the link for it. So basically where it says My Calendars, you want to hover over the calendar that you want to copy. Click on the three dots right here next to it, and then we select Settings and Sharing. Then what we need to do is scroll all the way down, or not all the way down, but nearly, until we see this secret address in iCal format. So then we want to click on these two lines right here, or next to the I that says copy to clipboard. It will give you a little warning, and now we have the address for our calendar copied. Now the next step here is loading up your Outlook, where you want to integrate your calendar, and then just click on the calendar icon right here, the second one. It might be in your mailbox, but just click on the calendar icon right here, the second one. And then if you want to add your calendar right here, all we have to go to is the add button next to share. Click on it, and then we select from internet. And then right here, you will see the option enter the location and internet calendar you want to add to Outlook. So basically just right click and then you paste, and this will paste the address that we just copied. I'm not going to do it as I don't want to share it with you, my calendar, but this is how you do it. After you have pasted this, all you have to click on is OK, and this will integrate your Google Calendar to Outlook. It is as simple as that. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.